In this video, how to change your profile picture on your Houseparty application in 2020. So let's do this. Okay, so in this video, we're gonna learn how to change profile picture on Houseparty app 2020. So to do that, just open up your Houseparty app and go to the top left corner, click on this smiley icon. Go to the top left corner, click on this settings icon. Now go and click on edit profile. Alright, click on the plus or on your profile image. Allow Houseparty to access photos, media and files on your device. Choose from library. So you can choose from gallery or photos. I'm going to choose from gallery. I'm going to click on camera and I'm going to choose an image. Alright, now go to the top right corner, click on this check mark. And now you can change the size like so and place this square where you want to have the image like so. Now go to the top right corner. Click on this crop text. Like so. And now you can see I have a new profile picture on my Houseparty app. Alright, so I hope this helped. Okay everyone, so I hope this tutorial helped you out. If you like this one and want to see more of this, you can subscribe right here. You can also check out my latest video right here. And I hope you have an awesome day. Take care and bye.